The people laugh at my broken English.
Hmm.
How can I overcome from this?
Many people they start feeling regret when they left the work, and they're giving just a simple, I can say it's not excuse, I can say, because my English is not good.
It is so
Yes.
hot and I cannot switch on the fan because fan's voice will be coming in my
And if
video.
I talk about weather in my side, it's weather is cold and it's not raining, but it's drizzling. For whole day it's clouding. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, ma'am. So good afternoon. How are you?
Very good afternoon. I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. What about you?
I am good as usual. Okay, so this is our second conversation, right? I think
Hmm.
on
Yes.
my platform.
Yes.
And the
Yes.
last session which we had that was related on passive voice, right?
Hmm. I
Yeah.
think so. Yes. Am
And
I right?
that
You are
video
right.
and the people also showed their love to that video, and that video reached more than 2.4K.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. I
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I'm so happy to connect with you again. So
Thank you so much.
So please tell me on which topic wise you want to have this conversation, or generally you want to ask us some kind of questions or
If you
something.
have any topic for me, then you can ask. Otherwise,
Yeah,
no topic coming
I
in
have.
my mind. Hmm.
I have. So in my videos comment section, there are so many people. They just send me their problem. Like the people laugh at my broken English.
Hmm.
How can I overcome from this?
Okay,
This is the
that's
question.
great. It's a very common question, yes, and it is a wonderful question, I can say. And it's everyone face in initial days. I also one of them. When I was started my English, I didn't have a desire to speak in front of my family. Yes,
Yeah.
because I was totally afraid if I will use any wrong word, they start laughing at me. Yes, so if you are laughing anyone on your skill, it doesn't matter if you are doing any kind of work. I'm not talking about only English. When you are going to
Yeah.
start any new things in your life, so you can accept it. Mistakes are common. Without mistake, how you will learn?
Yeah.
You should ready to accept your mistake, and you should start ignoring those people. They always try to pull your leg back, and they
Yeah.
always try to demotivate you. So you should focus on your work and no need to reply anyone, everyone.
But it is easy to say, but while practical means if I'm doing same kind of thing practically, so it is little difficult. It is little bit
It's
difficult at that
yes,
time.
I know that. I also face the same situation. It is difficult, but what is the solution? If you will stop your work,
Yeah.
automatically you will feel regret and you will nothing achieve in your life. So what is the solution?
Yeah, of course, solution is
If you
there
are
that like we
feeling
have to
regret, if you are feeling and focus
Thinking
on your
about those
work,
people,
it doesn't matter if you are
they
able to
already
speak or
are
not,
not
because
doing
it's an
anything.
initial days.
They
You
just
are This is your learning
demotivating you.
phase. So you
So
just
you
ignore
start
it
focus on your
and
learning.
focus on your work. It doesn't matter if you are able to speak or not, because it's an initial days. This is your learning phase. So you start focus on your learning within a 6 month, according to your strength, according to your hard work. I don't think within a 2 months, 6 months you will become a fluent. If you are doing hard work regular basis, or definitely you will become fluent. But if you are not doing regular basis work, it will take long time.
Yeah,
Yes.
of course. Yeah, consistency is also very important because without consistency we cannot achieve our goal, right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Yes.
So it means we have to maintain our consistency, right?
Yes.
So we do not think. Yeah, of course, you said very right. Like we must not think about the people, what they will they will speak to you on your broken sentences, on your broken
Yes.
English. See, in
Yes.
your initial days means everyone does so many mistakes, and why the
Yes.
mistakes? We just learn something, and it you have to understand this thing. If you will not do mistakes, you will not learn as well. Because why? Why mistakes are happening? Because we are learning different things, which is new to us, right?
Yes.
We
Yes.
must accept it. We must accept this thing. And if I talk about myself, so I used to speak very wrong sentences in my initial days. Okay, I just tell you one little bit incident. I just spoke with my friend one sentence that was, I thinked yesterday, I thinked yesterday. So he
Okay.
laughed at me. Because I spoke wrong sentence. I think I must have spoken like I thought, right?
Thought. Hmm.
So I also used to do the silly mistakes in my sentences.
Yes. Yes.
But now, by the mistakes, I learned many things, right? That's why I'm speaking English with you right now. So
Yes.
we have to be patientfully. We have to patience means we have to keep patience and be regular and
Yeah.
enjoy this life, because this is very funny, or not funny. We can say this is very important language, and it is what we can say, joyfully. If we want to learn this language, we can, and then only we can learn this. Otherwise, the burden, if you are thinking on your head that, oh, I have to learn it, I have to speak English, you cannot learn, right?
Yes, definitely. And you know what? Every I just when I met with housewife, and when we start doing conversation, many people they start feeling regret when they left the work, and they're giving just a simple. I can say it's not excuse. I can say because my English is not
Yeah,
good. No one appreciating my work. No one appreciating
yeah,
my speaking. That's why I
English,
don't feel
yeah,
like motivate, and that's why I'm not doing work regularly. So I think no need to appreciation from others people. What you are
yeah.
doing, you can accept and you can appreciate yourself.
Hmm.
Yes, if you are
That's,
doing
yeah,
like because initially we are doing mistakes, so how it's possible everyone appreciate your work?
yeah, absolutely.
No. So you can motivate yourself every day and you just focus on your work. Day by day, you will get lots of improvement in yourself.
Yes,
Yes, and
of
improvement
course.
with it will come by a practice. So you have to practice every day. You don't give any kind of excuse. No one appreciating my work. That's why I'm not working. It's just a reason.
Yeah, yeah, of course. See, I, I want to learn English, not the people. So I have to work upon my English, not the people will work, right? For me. So it is totally the game of my hard work, smart work, practice, and spoken journey. So it is totally depend on myself. How
Yes,
much how much hard work I'm doing, how much effort I'm putting in my English, and how much practice I'm doing, how much speaking I'm having the conversation with the people. So it will totally depend on my practice, person to person.
okay. So I just want to ask you, apart from doing conversation, you are doing something else for practicing?
No,
No, not at all. Okay, you just so how many sessions do you take in a single day?
only one.
Oh, one. That's great because you
Only
already
one.
have a lots of
Yeah,
work. You have
yeah.
already lots of work
I have.
related from your
Yeah,
school. Yeah.
yeah,
Okay, so I think we completed our 10 minutes. Okay,
yeah,
and
man.
my
Thank
baby
you so
already
much.
woke up. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so
It's a
much
great
for giving me this
conversation.
golden opportunity again to connect with you. And it was a lovely session I had with you. Thank you so much.
Same
Have
here.
a great
Thank you.
day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.